Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, in today's video I'll be installing this unit here from Nadula Hair. So I do want to say thank you to Nadula Hair for sending over today's wig. And before we jump into it, you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so you get notified when I upload, and then follow me on my socials. They'll be here on my screen and in my description bar below. Now let's go ahead and jump into today's video. You guys, so here is the unit after getting it all installed. I do have to say I think this was a flawless, very easy install, and I was very pleased with it. The quality of the hair as well as the lace, everything just blended, melted so perfectly. So this is their Brazilian hair 24-inch unit, and I don't know the color of it exactly. I want to say it's TL412, but if that's not it, then I'll be putting it on the screen and in my description bar as well. First, I'll give you guys an up-close view of the lace. So I did add some tint spray to the lace, however no bleaching was required to this unit considering how it's colored. And then I also added some makeup to the parting space. So this unit can be parted how you would like. You do not have to have a middle part. It is free space, so you can do you a right part, left part, whatever you desire to do. You could even pull it up and wear it in the half up, half down do, have a ponytail with some hair hanging. It also has a bunch of space in it, you guys. You could add that elastic band back there or wear it without it. It does come with adjustable straps, so you could tighten it up some more as well if you would like. I also like the density of this wig. I like that it's not too thick and not too thin. I feel like when you get straight hair, I do like for my ends to be a little bit more thinned out because that tends to look a lot more natural. I went over it with the hot comb and flat iron as well, just straightening out the hair. It took the heat really well. I added just a little bit of wig shine spray to it just to give it a nice little shine to the hair. It's very good quality, even though it's been processed and lightened up some from the bleach and the highlights in it, but it has such a soft feel to it. Really good quality, no shedding, no tangling to it at all. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I will have a direct link there for you. I highly suggest trying it because it is such a great quality wig. Like, I have no issues with it. So if you guys are looking for some highlights to wear this summer, straight hair that you're interested in with not too much of a high density, this would be your go-to for sure. I love the highlights and it's definitely a summer color hairstyle right here. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment as well. Thank you again to Nadula Hair for sending over today's wig, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.